So I am at the Marriott River Center, Cincinnati, here for work. As you all know, I normally stay at Hilton's, but I didn't book this, so it's pretty nice. Looks pretty new. Much nicer than some of the Hiltons I've been staying at. Got the 2 beds. I really like this. This is sharp. Got a lot of space here. Fridge is actually cold. Most of them aren't cold. Yep. Looking good, and here's my view. Oh, I'm next to Embassy Suites where I normally stay. Oh, look at this. Very nice. Right on the river. This is the view from my room. And what's really nice is each floor has its own ice machine and a microwave, so if you can't eat all your dinner, just come over here and eat it up. It's 8 a.m., so everybody is going to work now, going to their meetings. This is a really nice workout area. I came in here about 5:20 this morning. Look at all the really good equipment. So you can do chest press, leg press. It actually tells you how many reps, that digital screen, and how long. This is the lat pull down. You got some of that. This machine, that's great. You can do 5,000 things. A lot of treadmills. And by the way, somebody just told me this place is completely renovated. And I can tell everything is brand new. Good number of ellipticals and free weights. I'm gonna just do this hello thing. Everybody does when they go in front of a mirror. So go, look, he's got everything. Balance ball, whatever this thing is called. I did some sit-ups this morning with this. A band, I use that. I did this for whatever the muscle is, but I roll that. Yeah, really nice. Oh, got lots of mats here too. And then there's a pool.